Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine. The next product is the Hoover FH50150, a step up from the Hoover FH50700 in both cleaning power and price. This is the cheapest of Hoover's full-sized carpet cleaners, and we think it's one of the best carpet steam cleaners on the market. That opinion is mirrored in the customer reviews on Amazon. It is over 16,000 reviews, so there's no shortage of opinions to dig your claws into. When a product on Amazon has this many reviews and has managed to maintain a high average rating, this product is rated 4.3 out of 5. It's a sure sign that it's a good product. When you buy a carpet cleaner, you're looking for one thing above everything else: results. If it doesn't do a good job of cleaning stains on the carpet, who cares about all its other features? Check the customer images on Amazon, and there are tons of before and after pictures showing just how good this cleaner is. Your carpet will look brand new. Despite the bulky design, the Hoover FH50150 is pretty lightweight, less than 19 pounds. You can pick it up with one hand and easily push it around your carpet. The main reason for its bulk is the large water tank that holds 1 gallon. That's twice as big as the FH50700 Power Dash, which means you can cover twice as much ground without having to fill it up. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. The Turboclean Powerbrush is Bissell's answer to Hoover's FH50700. It's a compact, vacuum cleaner-style carpet cleaner without the bells and whistles you'd expect on a more advanced carpet cleaner. The most noticeable feature missing from these budget cleaners is a handheld cleaning tool. That makes it pretty much useless for cleaning carpeted stairs or upholstery. So how does it stack up against more expensive carpet cleaners? Well, aside from the lack of handheld cleaners, the performance is pretty similar. It uses the same dirt lifter power brush that rotates to scrub the carpet. This is backed up by the suction power, which is strong enough to lift deep down dirt. In terms of results, you won't see much difference between this and the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Carpet Cleaner. It's just nowhere near as versatile. We love Bissell cleaners because they're designed to make your life easier. The 2-tank system and removable nozzle make this one of the easiest machines to clean. It's also super lightweight, just 12 pounds, and has a collapsible handle, making it easy to store. It also has a unique feature, the Edge Sweep Bristles. These are small brushes on either side of the main cleaner, which clean along baseboards and around furniture. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Bissell LittleGreen Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Not everyone needs or wants a full-size carpet cleaner. If you don't have a whole lot of space where you live, the last thing you want is another vacuum-sized appliance that you've got to store. That's where the Bissell LittleGreen Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner comes in. As you can probably tell from the design, it's not suitable for cleaning your whole carpet. Instead, this spot cleaner is used for cleaning up stains, refreshing old furniture, and cleaning car interiors. It has a flat bottom design and a handle on top, so you carry it to the spot, place it down, and start cleaning. One of the great things about the Bissell LittleGreen is that you can leave water and solution in the tanks. That means when something gets spilled, you can jump into action straight away. It's pretty frustrating filling up a complicated carpet cleaner when there's staining drying into your carpet. So what about cleaning power? Can this portable carpet cleaner compete with its larger and more expensive siblings? The answer really depends on what you're using it for. As a spot cleaner, it's super effective at bringing up food stains, red wine stains, and other non-pet stains. However, we found that it wasn't anywhere near as effective on pet urine. If you paired it with a bottle of powerful urine cleaner, it will probably do the job. It has a 3 tough stain tool, similar to the tool we've seen on larger Bissell cleaners. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean. This is Bissell's most powerful carpet cleaning system, designed for the toughest pet stains and odors. If you've got a serious carpet cleaning job on your hands, you need the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner. The company proudly states that this cleaner can even remove skunk odor, and anyone who's come into contact with a skunk will know that's a big claim. It has a couple of different settings, but the one you'll use most often is the Max Clean mode. This combines heatwave technology and dual dirt lifter power brushes to remove deeply embedded dirt and stains. As you can see from the Amazon reviews, the results speak for themselves. This is professional-grade cleaning for a fraction of the price. Express Clean mode is the other setting that caught our eye. If you live in a busy house full of kids and pets, you don't always have time to do a deep clean. But you can't just leave a stain on the carpet without doing something. This mode will clean up those stains and dries in around half an hour, so you can get on with your day. We also like the lightweight, ergonomic design of this carpet steam cleaner. It's built like a modern vacuum cleaner, so you can easily reach underneath tables and around corners. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. Hoover is one of the most famous vacuum cleaner manufacturers in the world. In the UK, people literally say Hoover instead of a vacuum cleaner. Nowadays, the company is nearly as well known for its carpet cleaners. When it comes to carpet cleaning technology, they're always at the forefront. They're so good, we've picked 4 of their cleaners to be on this list. The Hoover FH52000 is the most expensive of the bunch. In terms of cleaning power, added features, and all-around quality, it's the only real direct competitor to the Bissell ProHeat cleaner we looked at last. The most impressive thing about this carpet cleaner is how easy it is to use. You don't have to push any buttons, pull any triggers, or measure any chemicals. Just push it forward and it cleans the carpet. Then, pull it back and it dries the carpet, sucking up any debris along the way. There's no other carpet cleaner on the market that's this simple to use. Hoover has achieved this simplicity by separating the tanks for clean water and solution. You just fill the respective tanks up and the machine works out how much solution is needed. Then, everything ends up in the dirty water tank so you can pour it away. The impressive cleaning power comes from the FlexForce TM, power brushes, and heat force drying technology. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.